Uy, ang umaga ko. Tingnan natin ha. Uy, may pusa dito. Look. Ang ganda. Ang quiet dito eh. Sobrang quiet. Tingnan niyo yan. Tignan nga natin yung, ay, hindi man ako makalakal ito eh. Nasisira ba yung driveway natin doon? Sobrang quiet. Walang tao, yung mga kapitbahay nagtatrabaho. Ay, ang ingay dito guys, ang daming nagsisigawan, charot. Diba? Puti-puti. Puti, pati dito puti. Look. Uy, ginaw ko. Ang ginaw. Tara. Ang daming hayop naglalakad. May mga mark, oh. Yun. Grabe. Maginaw pa rin. Sobrang ginaw. Tingnan natin dito, be. Groundhog. Ang langit, tignan nyo. Tignan ko sana yung ano. Tika muna, be. Hey. Dadaanan natin ba? Wala akong kasi ano. Dalawi. Tika guys. Dalawi. Hindi ginoo ko. Wa na ang aking chinilas. Nasisira na. Ay, basa. Tignan natin, be, kung ano natin. Kung nasisira ba yung driveway sa ano gabi. Kahapon din. Ay, wala namang mark. Okay naman pala, nasilinis. Look. Tignan nyo yung daanan ko. Parang ano no. Parang nasa heaven. Parang nasa heaven. Basa na yung tsinelas ko. Laban natin. Tignan nyo ito guys. Oh. Di ba ang ganda? Bulaklak ko ito. Ay. Ang ginaw. Ito. Hala. Look. Ano guys, sobrang ang ganda ng panahon. Walang katao-tao. Trabaho yung mga tao. Lunes kasi ngayon. Pero ang ganda. At least may sun. May araw, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ang ganda. Saan tayo maghanap niyan? Di ba? Buhay sa Amerika. Ang buhay ay buhay. Tara, pasok tayo. Kasi ginaw na. Basa yung ano ko. Hi! Hello, baby. Hello. Do you wanna go out? We play already. I know we play already, love. We did play already. We did. Ang gandang view sa likuran ng bahay, oh. Pero hindi ko kaya na sobrang ginaw. Goodbye, guys. Hindi na pwede ako ditong mag-isa. Mama cannot be alone in the bathroom. You always have a bodyguard. Mama always have a bodyguard. Hi, guys. We are out. Look at him. Look at him.
Look at him. First thing he does, lights a cigarette.
We're wearing the thing that he got for us. Look, his cigarette thing, and I'm driving.
Yeah, but look how much nicer this material is.
Huh?
Got a plastic on it.
Huh? Did you?
I washed yesterday with this car.
You did again?
Yeah.
When?
It was filthy.
When did you do it? Before you go to work?
Yeah.
Seriously, and you're gonna get dirty anyway. Even there's no people there, you can do car wash?
Yeah. What I mean, there was no, people have to be there. You go there, they just beep your sticker, and then you go in and do the car wash. Dunkin' Donuts, because
Why?
my brother-in-law likes Dunkin' Donuts. And he's coming over, so I figured it'd be nice to have some Everybody likes Dunkin' Donuts anyway. So it's just a matter of what they have.
Okay, enjoy your picking donut.
What?
Enjoy your picking donut. Enjoy picking donut.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Ito na yung ano ni Tami. Binili na donut. Guys, binili namin itong donut na ito dahil pupunta dito yung kapatid ni Tami. Baka maingganyo na hindi na sila lalabas ba, mag diner pa, dito na sila kakain ng breakfast and then gagawa na lang ako ng something, di ba? So ngayon, umalis, sabi pa, aalis tayo. Sabi ko kay Tami, kayo aalis na lang kayo palagi. Iniwan daw niya ako, palagi niyo na lang akong iwan. At saka hindi mo na pwede akong sumama kasi, dalawang lalaki, sila lang, para makapagbanding din sila. Pero sabi ko kay Tami, bakit palagi andito yung asawa ng kapatid mo? Ayaw ba niya kasama yung kapatid mo? Kasi palagi yung gano'n, no? Kapag tumanda ka na talaga, guys, mag-asawa ka and then matagal na kayo, hindi magkasundo, Ginoo ko, sabi ko kay Tami, hindi nga tayo lumalabas, ipapuntang mag-diner, maglabas, mag-breakfast doon sa labas. Itong brother-in-law mo, palagi ka na lang niyayaya, sabi pa ni Tami. Oo nga gusto ko na nga talagang, gusto niya magpahinga guys, pero hindi man siya iwan ko kay Tami, hindi talaga, kung anong gagawin niya sa ibang tao. Pero sa akin, mabilis maghindi. Sabi pa niya, ayaw kong lumabas, kaso gusto man talaga niyang lumabas. Sabi pa ni Tami, karating, di ba, busy siya, 3D siya nagtrabaho. Gusto niya matulog, magpahinga. Pero sa sobrang aga pa, pupunta na dito, maaga daw, ganun. Nakita ko yung mukha ni Tami na irita. Pero wala siyang choice kasi boring daw na-bored daw yung brother-in-law niya. Kailangan daw niya
What's up, guys? Alright, my brother-in-law is now gone, so we're back with my wife. Now we're gonna head out to the liquor store. So that's what we're gonna run out quick. Go to the liquor store. And it's snowing, guys. Just started snowing again, so we'll see how this goes.
Guys, can I tell you something, guys? I've been alone the whole day.
She hasn't been alone the whole day, guys. We've gone for about an hour.
And you know what? This spend time in the laptop. You don't even Tami is like...
And she keeps disappearing, go upstairs, go to the room, lock herself away.
Because I'm doing my thing.
Okay, so she's alone because she disappeared because she's doing her thing. I got it.
And can I tell you something? It's snowing. Snowing.
I just told them it was snowing.
It's kind of slippery here, love.
I'll let me drive.
What do you think? I can't drive?
Oh, you whining already? Whining?
It's snowing, guys. It's snowing. I'm not whining.
I'm gonna buy her some cheese to go with her wine.
My car, it tells me that road may be icy. Nice car. What a beautiful day today. Dito tayo. Where is that margarita thingy? It's over the front. Jack Daniels. Nice. How much is that? For $50? That one, the big one. Get one. Okay. Classic.
Coconut pineapple margarita?
Magkaiba.
See, this is...
Spicy margarita. Spicy. Oh, this is nice. Look.
Pineapple?
Yeah.
San Jose Quarter.
Oh, they have this over here. The pineapple one right here. Try the pineapple one. Yeah. Godiva. $1,000. Look. What kind of drink is that?
I don't know.
And guys, ito gustong gusto ko to. Oh. Masarap po ito. Tignan niyo yung presyo. Pero masarap siya. Ito yung pangalan niya. Gustong gusto ko yan. Han? How much is that? It's crazy. Eh?
So I said, oh, this is heavy. I said, just leave it. I carry the bag. I'll carry the box. And then when I go to carry the box, she said, oh, I took it. And I got it. And the lady's looking at her like, what's the matter with you?
No, I'm not. Dito kasi guys, if you are a lady, American, and if you're a woman with your husband,
Which is light. Why keep pushing lights?
and with your husband, they will let your husband carry everything.
It's called chivalry. The husband's supposed to carry things.
Yeah, different. I'm a different woman.
No pizzerias in here right now.
Huh?
No pizzeria in here.
No. Ay, ulan pa guys. Ulan talaga guys.
Put that on your lap so it warms you up. I got it.
It's here guys. Look. It is here. And he's driving this time because he's making fun of my driving. What did you told me? I can't
Yeah, it took
turn.
like 20 minutes to get out of the parking space.
Seriously, Tommy. We don't even. I'm a really good driver, Tommy. I'm a really good driver. I'm a good driver. Am I a good driver?
You're a good driver. You just have a problem with cutting into traffic.